I wasn't using vitamin C serum for quite a while, and I used to make it in a different way. So since I've been doing it this way, my skin feels more moisturized, less dried out, and I've noticed my skin is definitely brighter. Hi, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. I am so glad that you are here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I would appreciate if you would hit the subscribe button and subscribe for further videos. And today I'm going to be talking about vitamin C serum and making your own vitamin C serum. I find that making my own vitamin C serum saves me money, and also it's fresh every day. So I know that it hasn't lost, its potency. So what I would say about vitamin C serum is definitely, if you plan on making vitamin C serum, do your own research, talk to your dermatologist, and just make sure that it's right for you, because it can be stinging on the skin, it can irritate the skin, especially if you're making your own. I would say be very, very careful. So I used to make my own vitamin C serum, but the problem was that it would kind of dry out my skin because I only used water. I found a way to make it more hydrating, and also sometimes the crystals would not dissolve. I'll show you what I did to make sure that the crystals do dissolve. Coming up, I'm going to show you how I make my serum. So the way I make my vitamin C serum is very simple, but of course I'm going to show you all the items that I use to make it, and you would want to start with vitamin C powder. I buy mine on Vitacost, it's under $10, but if you buy the vitamin C powder, it's very important that it's the powder and not the crystals. The crystals will not dissolve, and I've been frustrated a few times because I thought I bought the powder, but I bought the crystals. The second item that I use would be a water bottle with purified water inside, some of the Thayers witch hazel, and vegetable glycerin. I use the Now brand. In the morning, what I might do is I might splash some witch hazel on my face, and then I do my vitamin C. So I have a little teeny spoon, okay? I fill up that spoon, and then I just put it in my hand, and I'm going to spray about 3 or 4 times, and then I will add the witch hazel, and it's about 3 drops or so. And then I kind of will experiment. If it seems like it needs more water, I might add more water to it. And then once it's dissolved, I add the glycerin, okay? This way, maybe about 2 or 3 drops of the glycerin, sometimes 1's okay, depending on, what you feel your skin needs. But anyways, the glycerin, let me just show you how I apply it. So I apply it all around. Back of my neck, and I apply it on my hands. And the glycerin keeps the vitamin C from drying out on your skin before you have a chance to put on your moisturizer. Now, if you're going to put your moisturizer on right away, you might not need the glycerin, but I like the glycerin because it gives it more of that real serum feel to it, which I like. If it's just water, it just feels like, you're just putting the water and the vitamin C, and it could feel a little drying. I also think that the glycerin cuts down on the irritation, and it does that for me. So my last step would be, I use the Ceramedx moisturizer, and this is a moisturizer that has wonderful ceramides in it that helps your skin to replenish the acid mantle and the moisture level. I have a video on this as well. I use this every day. So I'm just going to put some moisturizer on my face. So that is a simple way I make my vitamin C serum. Now, you could also use, I have experimented with Camu powder, which is actually a very natural form of vitamin C. And the only thing with that is that the powder didn't quite break down for me. And has anybody else used the Camu powder? And is there a way that you got the powder to break down? Because I like that form of vitamin C. It's not quite as strong as this is, but it's definitely gentle, and it definitely felt like it was effective. But that's another option for this. You could you could try. And so I have noticed that my skin is a lot more bright. Now I want to say that I wasn't using vitamin C serum for quite a while, and I used to make it in a different way without the glycerin. And I stopped using it for a while because my skin just felt irritated when I was using it. So since I've been doing it this way, my skin feels more moisturized, less dried out, and I've noticed since I've been using the vitamin C serum again that my skin is definitely brighter. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.